Welcome to this video on the mechanics of three-phase residual current circuit breakers, or RCCBs, in electrical installations. Leakage current presents a significant danger, as it can be the cause of electrical fires and electric shocks. The residual current circuit breaker, or RCCB, protects humans and sensitive equipment from these hazards. RCCBs are essential for monitoring homes, protecting heavy machinery, and securing IT sectors. The operation of an RCCB is governed by Kirchhoff's current law, which states that incoming current must equal outgoing current. When currents remain balanced, the vector sum is zero, and the RCCB does not trip, indicating normal operation. Leakage current breaks this balance, changing the vector sum and allowing the RCCB to detect the electrical error. The toroidal transformer is the component that measures these currents. It features live, neutral, and sensing coils. Leakage creates an imbalance, generating residual magnetic flux, which in turn induces voltage in the sensing coil, tripping the relay. The RCCB monitors preset limits and can cut power within milliseconds when dangerous current levels are detected. In some three-phase systems without a neutral wire, the toroid measures the three phases. The vector sum of these currents still equals zero under normal conditions. Different models exist, such as the ACTI-9 RCCB, which connects three phases directly without a resistor, and the Multi-9 IDRCCB, which requires a specific resistor for 380 to 415 volts compliance. The test button on the RCCB creates a resistive load that bypasses the toroid. This simulation proves the device's safety functionality. The RCCB constantly calculates currents, using the toroid to detect invisible faults and prevent fatal hazards through the physics of balance. In summary, the RCCB ensures electrical safety. Balance protects the system, and imbalance quickly trips the circuit.